Welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly share your Instagram profile with friends, colleagues, or anyone online, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to copy your Instagram profile link using the Instagram app on your PC, following the latest update. This is a super simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to grab your profile link in seconds. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. You'll notice the familiar layout, but with a few tweaks thanks to the new update. Once you're in, look to the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see your profile photo in the corner. Go ahead and click on your profile photo. This will take you straight to your personal Instagram page, where all your posts, followers, and highlights are displayed. Now, at the top of your profile page, you'll spot 3 dots lined up horizontally. These 3 dots are your gateway to more options. Click on them, and a small menu will pop up with several choices. From this menu, look for the option that says Copy URL. Click on Copy URL, and just like that, your unique Instagram profile link is copied to your clipboard. You can now paste this link anywhere you want, whether it's in a message, an email, or even on another social media platform. Let's quickly recap the steps. Open the Instagram app on your PC. Click your profile photo in the left corner. Tap the 3 dots at the top of your profile page and select Copy URL. That's it. You now have your Instagram profile link ready to share. This new update makes it easier than ever to share your Instagram presence with the world. Whether you're networking, promoting your brand, or just connecting with friends, having your profile link handy is always a good idea. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.